Creating a multiple choice question type. We're going to click on multiple choice. And we type in our question. You'll notice you've got the traditional formatting tools up at the top. Here we can add a picture. This allows us to use that math type that we would need for a math question. You've got a chart. You can add a quote. This allows you to add special characters. And this is the tools. So you can add audio player. You can either upload the audio or record it right here. You also have a video player, calculator, 2 different rulers, and the protractor. So this is how you're going to add these tools at the question level. I go over how to add it at the test level in my assessment setup video. Then I'm going to put in my different options. So let's just put in 3, 4, 5, and 6. You'll notice here in the answer choices that I also have these formatting tools, which allows me to add pictures and math text for my answer choices. I can add additional options if I want. This distractor rationale is just information for you. So if you put this 3 in there, what is it that they are probably thinking when they got this wrong? Again, that's just information for you. Next, we have the correct answer set up. So I need to choose the correct answer. Now, if this happens to be a question where there's more than one answer, I can click on this plus and give other alternate answers that would be correct. I can shuffle the options. So that means when those numbers go out, it's going to be different for everybody. I can allow multiple responses. So if my answer could be 3 or 5, then I could allow multiple answers. This allows it to be an exact match or a partial match. In this case, it needs to be an exact match. But in other times, I would want it to be a partial match, and so I would choose that. The layout, we can do standard or block. You'll see how that changed. Or you've got the radio button under the option. And then you can also change number of columns. So maybe I want 2 columns. Or maybe I want 4 columns. And then that's going to put them out for my choices. And then this is where I can add my learning objective by clicking on learning objective. I'm going to go to state standards. I'm in Indiana. Academic. And I just drill down until I find the standard that I want. In this case, it's a geometry. Once you've selected it with that check mark, click confirm. You can see that it's attached. If you hover over it, you can see what the actual standard is, and then you're going to click save. Now if I want this to be more than 1 point, I can change this here. If I wanted it worth 3, with these 3 dots, I can edit it. I can copy it so that it can be used again, and I can just edit it, or then I can delete the question altogether.